everyone, this is Neha Badlani, Energy Tarot Reader with Cool Kanya. Here's your weekly prediction for the week of December 7th to December 13th, 2020. Aries. You've happily completed or about to complete something of great importance, Aries. The universe is congratulating you on a job well done. You're now ready to move on to something big, something new, something with regards to your work, career, and progress. A new project or a phase in your professional journey is on the horizon, and there's much to be grateful about. Plenty of possibilities beyond your initial expectations, beyond what you could imagine, are opening up for you, Aries. But be careful with your choices. Don't bite off more than you can chew, but sure, dare to take that bite. You are willing to risk it all for an opportunity that comes along. You want to go for it without hesitation. The chances look bright, but evaluate the pros and the cons before leaping right in or being careless. In summary, recognition for the use of your talents, joy, contentment, and gratitude is on its way, and the path toward progress opens up. Have a fantastic one. Taurus. Expect and enjoy beneficial new opportunities, Taurus, as they present themselves. I feel like you have a lucky streak going on from last week. This is an optimal time to make big and small changes of all types. Take the leap with the knowledge that everything will work well for you. Old blocks are lifting and everything now moves forward quickly. If recent events have shaken your faith a bit, you'll see how they were actually positive for you, and you'll see how things have actually worked out, for your highest good. Rapid advancement is likely right now. A time of positive change, stuck situations, money, projects all start moving. However, don't bet your whole fortune on the most fortunate outcome. Save something for a rainy day, but be rest assured that luck is on your side. In summary, a happy accident or a chance, a twist of fate is on the horizon. It is a time of positive changes. So pull up your socks and get ready for this windfall. Have a fantastic one. Gemini. There's no need to race ahead into action right now, Gemini. Instead, take time to gain more insight, get perspective, since things may not be, what they seem on or what they appear on the surface. Withdraw from the daily noise and the daily life and ask for guidance from your mentors, elderly, or even your inner self. Everything you need to know will be revealed to you in time, so just have the patience. This is not the time to make those bold moves and take those big risks. Instead, it's an excellent time for research, preparation, setting grounds for plans and ventures in life. There could be a complicated problem at work needing, a resolution or something that needs to be solved. It's almost like a riddle I see, Gemini. You must contemplate in order to see this, because there is something springing up in your environment. Maybe you're not paying attention to it. So look into the details. That's where, like they say, God lies in the details. Even if they seem insignificant, there is something that's hidden from you that should be revealed to you, Gemini. In summary, I would say keep your dreams and desires to yourself this week. Silence is golden. Don't get argumentative or into these sort of brawls with anybody. And patience, please, because things will unfold just at the right time. Have a fantastic one. Cancer. Your hard work is paying off, Cancer, but do stay alert to new possibilities in your career as well. Change is inevitable, and newfound sources of abundance could be on the horizon. They could be arriving from somewhere you don't expect. Be open to new and exciting opportunities, which could also be different than your field of work. Some of you planning to switch jobs or switch careers altogether. This is a time you can go ahead and do it. Don't let fear-based thoughts, limit your actions or sort of hold you back. Learn to expand your mind a little bit. Anyway, the world has changed so much. I feel like it's a time you want to get out and also explore things that you've never done before. It's also new, this energy that we've been given this year. Perhaps it's also time to create a savings account or review your spending habits. It's also possible that you're too financially conservative right now, so you may want to lose the purse strings a little bit and enjoy the simple pleasures of life. If you feel like ordering a meal from outside, you feel like giving yourself a gift, you feel like giving a loved one a gift, go ahead and do that. But of course, do it sensibly, have a plan in place, open your savings account, budget expenses. You're smarter than that, so you'll figure it out. Also, I also feel like some of you need to donate and spread this money of energy around to others. So like if it's a charity close to you, or someone who needs financial assistance, I feel the more help you give other people with finances, the more good fortune you bring to yourself and to your career and financial situations. In summary, I feel don't be too frivolous or too cautious with money. Find a balance and make way to find a way to enjoy the money that you earned. Good business decisions will be important to you this week, so keep that in mind and give to those less fortunate to sort of shake up your financial karma a little bit. Have a fantastic one.
Leo.
Other people around you, be it at the work front, be it on the professional front, your business partners, your colleagues, they hold different goals and values, than you, and I see some kind of disagreement as to how to proceed. There's sort of like a clash of wills. Success is possible this week, but some things are going to require a little more effort. Either way, you're being urged to look at everybody's viewpoints. Efficient teamwork on activities is crucial to see stability at the work front right now, because there's so much going on. I feel like everybody is on the edge. So you be the smart one and take the more emotionally mature route. Sometimes, in fact, conflict can also bring out a silver lining because it leads to brainstorming, discussions, so they can also end up being productive. It can also lead to problem solving on the work front. You need a constructive environment, Leo, where you can test your ideas and have them challenged and sort of improvise and improved by others. That's where you thrive the most. But just don't get so arrogant and aggressive. That's a no-no for you this week. You may deal with people from different cultures and backgrounds. Maybe at your workplace, you have people coming from all sorts of, beliefs, patterns, and habits, and of course, nationalities and cultures, backgrounds as well. Maybe you're working with a global set of people as well. But please know that each person that you're working with has something unique to contribute to the table, and that you will benefit by learning more about them and what they have to offer. So be open to listening this week, Leo. In summary, the need to set priorities, find out what is the most important thing to you, and go right for it. I feel like you're going to be caught up in the middle of a lot of people, arguments, thoughts, opinions. So just find that balance and maybe be a little diplomatic, but not asking you to lose your charisma and natural charm. And diverse opinions of people are possible, so try and collaborate as much as possible. Have a fantastic one.
Virgo.
You have the Midas touch right now, Virgo. So anything you nurture and give your loving attention to right now will flourish. Enjoy the beautiful things in life, knowing that you deserve to be wonderfully provided for. Take excellent care of your body with a massage, yoga, pamper yourself. Make sure you're detoxing, have a clean diet so you can be more charming and productive at the workplace. You accomplish much more greatness uh, by gentleness and not by force or aggression. Even if you are in a position to do the latter, I would urge you to be gentle this week. You have a cooling influence on any heated situation. The one, trusted to find a peaceful solution, even to a problem involving a lot of calamity. That's what I'm seeing right now. Like there could be some issue, but you have that. You have that cooling factor that calms everyone down. So make sure you keep that energy going. Others do well to follow your gentle lead, and several of your team members, colleagues, and managers understand how you operate and look up to you. In summary, indulge in creative and artistic projects. That's where you'll find the most happiness this week. Set a positive example at work. Let people look up to your leadership style, and you will be admired provided you keep this cool, calm, gentle approach going. Have a fantastic one.
Libra.
Things happen, and things which you don't expect are about to happen this week, and you're going to prosper tremendously from them. But still consider what you really need and what could exactly be access to you. Endeavors that you begin now are blessed with abundance and success. Keep your thoughts positive, and everything is going to turn out beautifully. I know it's been very tough for you in the last couple of months, Libras, but I promise you there is light at the end of the tunnel, and the light is coming now. It's a brilliant time for new ideas and solutions. So go forward with confidence. If you are going through a difficult time, the universe brings you the message you have been waiting for. Things are getting better, a lot better finally. through the challenges along your path, you have discovered who you are finally and why you're here. What's your purpose in the world? What drives you? You've got a lot of time to contemplate and reflect on this entire year. I feel it's been one of the toughest years for my Libran friends. Uh, Now, however, you are full of energy and zeal for the future. You're sort of making plans for 2021. You're stepping your foot there slowly, and you can visualize abundance and a positive sort of successful future for yourself, and it is coming to you. In summary, there's some sort of public recognition or recognition at the work front. Something that's been due for so long is coming your way. The attainment of great personal insights make their way to you, and brilliant new ideas lead to success. So follow through on that. Have a fantastic.
Scorpio.
You worked hard and are rewarded with contentment, peace, and abundance. The freedom your success has afforded you provides deep feelings of satisfaction. I feel like some of you have been hard at work for so long. Please step back and take a little break, go for a walk in nature, give yourself a short getaway. I know with the current situation, all of these things might not be possible, but just take a couple of days off from work if you can. It's essential that you observe even the smaller milestones, Scorpio, even the small wins should be celebrated right now. If you have been working on a project, you will reach an important breakthrough and have some reason to sort of make merry. If you just wrapped up your project, the energies represents like a job well done, and things will, roll out smoothly, and sort of they will wrap up smoothly as well. If you are nearing the end of something, a goal will be attained and a vision is beginning to get realized. You should be proud of yourself, Scorpio, and just pat yourself in the back, I feel, this week. Some of you could see something absolutely unexpected on the work front, which will work in your favor. In summary, there's a milestone event in your career that could come about, successfully completed projects and goals achieved, and count your blessings. Have a fantastic one.
Sagittarius.
You're working too hard, Sagittarius, and you've put in too many hours at work. There needs to be a balance in your personal and professional life. I know things have been tough with the current situation. Everybody has to do everything at work, look into the house, manage, a very sort of holistic way of living. But you are being urged to not do so much by yourself and seek assistance. Uh, Things could be a little tough for you this week, but understand it's temporary. So the hard work you put right now is going to take you far and will help you accomplish all your long-term goals. You already know that. A good first step of easing the load right now is be willing to accept assistance and help from others, to delegate if you can. You may need to use various time management or prioritization methods on the work front to determine which where is it best to spend your time and which tasks you can drop out from your schedule. Your goal needs to be higher efficiency while also freeing yourself up for rest and relaxation while you can, because you do need it. I think you're also smart enough to understand that these tough times are only temporary, and which is what keeps you going. Uh, in summary, there could be too much work this week, but you can manage it with delegation. So accept help from others and bring back the balance of the home and office this time around. Have a fantastic one.
Capricorn.
You have a sense of wholeness, completion, and sort of this alignment in your relationships this week with others, especially with colleagues and people you work with. So partnerships do well. You are experiencing like this idyllic Zen-like state, I feel, where your dreams and wishes are materializing. If you are not, make sure to get into that Zen state, because that's going to help you attract, more abundance and good news. Take a moment to step back and appreciate everything that you've accomplished on your journey. You've created a life of connection, bliss, security, finances. You build this steadiness, stability for yourself. Continue doing that, and trusting your intuition is going to help you a lot. Professionally, I think you should seek out only those opportunities that align with your personal values instead of following the path of others. I feel like some of you have already put in years of work into something that was just needed to pay the bills and not necessarily aligning with who you are. But I feel now is the time to make those choices which is very true to you and which makes sense to you. Creative endeavors and professions like art, photography, life coaching, counseling, teaching, all of these do well. In summary, Work with people and projects that resonate with you. Harmony and creative fulfillment are on its way. Security and peace abound. For those of you not feeling these things, know that all of this will come about soon, and tap into the part of yourself that has already accomplished so much, and you'll start feeling the stability and the energy will shift. Have a fantastic one.
Aquarius.
You are tapping into your ability, Aquarius, to manifest a personal goal or a dream, and maybe in the midst of a new project, such as a hobby, business venture, or start of a new educational experience. You are excited about the possibilities and potential of what you put your mind to, knowing that you can create whatever you want, provided you have focus, intention, and action. This is the week when it's the time to convert your fantasy into reality, Aquarius. So keep in mind, uh, be open to new possibilities. Instead, create new opportunities and possibilities for yourself, Aquarius. Don't wait for anyone to hand them over to you. Keep that childlike optimism and enthusiasm going, because that's when you deliver your best. Keep learning new skills that can add to your chosen field. If you are thinking of an educational course or an online course, dive right in. Don't even think twice. Try something new and discover another aspect of yourself. If you've been doing the same thing for too long and are sort of finding it monotonous or mundane, shake it up, shake your routine up. Try different ways of doing the same thing. You'll be surprised. The more skills you bring to your portfolio this time around, Aquarius, the more goals and dreams you can achieve. So you're being pushed to elevate higher and higher. In summary, good news about financial matters could make its way. Wanting to do something more challenging, so take up that educational course or experience and dive right in. And anything new, be it a learning skill or just a new way of doing something old, will serve you well this week. Have a fantastic one.
Pisces.
Proceed slowly and gracefully on matters on the career front, Pisces. You are on a mission to bring in more beauty, love, support, and I don't know, somehow touch humanity on a large scale or a global scale, or through some contribution in your work. Get in touch with who you truly are to succeed on collaborations, contracts, and jobs. Do not compromise on your values or hide your truth in any way. Be ready to, be seen and be heard. uh, See your brilliant light, and release these self-limiting beliefs, Pisces. I feel sometimes you get caught up in, this negative loop of I'm not good enough. Break that. You are being led by your heart, and you want to see peace for everyone involved at the work front of the people you work with. Don't let the battle between the heart and the mind cloud your decisions this week. You already know what to do for best outcomes. You may receive invitations to parties or events, or have some social opportunities, either online or offline, coming your way. Say yes to them all. In summary, heart over head, be true to yourself, and enjoy social opportunities. Have a fantastic one.